Hi friends, hope this finds you well. We are going to be doing a Potomac beads unboxing. This is their spring box for the treasure box. And this one is called Spiced Market. This month's collection is inspired by the vibrant atmosphere of an open-air spice market. Silver bowls, ceramic jars, and burlap sacks are filled with spices in deep nutmeg browns, fiery saffron reds, and bright turmeric yellows. Handmade lampwork beads evoke the artistry of potters and craftsmen selling their creations alongside spice merchants. Picture textiles adorned with bold colors and intricate geometric patterns reminiscent of the geometric lines found in the Ava bead. Create your own special blend with this month's treasure box. So very exciting. All right, let's see what we've got. We have some fire polish in topaz. So, very pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Whoops. No, rolling all over the place. Oh, of course. Only me, right? And then it looks like we have check glass tile beads in OPEC red travertine. So pretty. Oh my goodness. These are very pretty. Let's see. Okay. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the color in that, but look, ooh, look at that. The reds, the blues, the greens, all so pretty, so pretty. And then we have a check heart, black diamond. These are 8mm. That's pretty. Very subtle, but smoky, pretty. So pretty. Ooh, these are yellow. Almost look topaz-y, but more yellow, see? 4mm smooth, round, yellow check glass. Very pretty. Just very fall, soft colors. So pretty. Oh, I'm going to pull out this strand. Look at this. I love, 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 love these fall colors. This is check glass barrel beads, I'm going to assume. Very pretty. And then we have the check glass, more faceted rounds in peridot gold wash. Oh my gosh. You should see the gold. Oh my gosh. I'm a squash. It was one of my kids' favorite books. But look at the gold on that. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. So pretty. So pretty. Definitely makes me think of a spice market. Then we have the terracotta. Check glass. Terracotta. This color. Ooh. Look at that. I think it matches my nails almost. A little darker. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Then we have, oh, check glass mix. So these are probably the lampwork beads. Look at those. Those reds and yellows. How fun are those? All so unique. Lampwork beads, I think, are so pretty. Oh, look at these. Oh my goodness. Check glass disc beads in color swirl. Look at all those colors in there, in each little stripe. So pretty. So very pretty. These are discs in jet black. So they have They almost look like checker pieces. I can pull one out so you can see what I mean. They have some kind of design on them. So they're not just plain black, but they remind me almost, I don't know if you can, there you go. See that? But it's only on the one side. The other side's smooth. That's a new one. We have these fun curved tube beads. And here's the Ava that inspired the collection. I like the Ava beads. And this bronzy color is so pretty. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And then more fire polish or faceted rounds. This is probably, let's see, 4mm. Oh no, 3mm. I see that on there. And then we've got some round trios. So these are the round beads with 3 holes in them. Yeah, nice shine to them. Can you see the 3 holes? Sorry, it's fuzzy. Trying to get it so you can see the 3 holes, but they are there. It's a very dark bead. Sorry. It's like a jet bronze. And then, ooh, look at these charms. So some Athena cast charms. Very pretty. And then we got some 11Os. These are the metallic rainbow. Very pretty. We have a measuring tape. Woohoo! Could always use another. And then lucite star beads. How fun are these? So pretty. Thank you, Potomac, for such an awesome box. Stay tuned for a design on the fly.